Galayou has sent this camera, the security camera, for my review, and this is a 2K 3 megapixel camera. It is right here. I actually just hooked it up to the solar panel, and believe it or not, the solar panel is actually right now charging this camera because I'm just right by a window. So it is very sensitive and powerful. So that's a really nice thing. So that's why I love this camera to start with, even before even looking at the video image and all of the little features, is that it is solar power. So that means that I don't have to run cables to an outlet, to the house, or anything like that. It is completely Wi-Fi capable and solar power powered. So basically I just need to, and all the hardware comes with it, of course, so I can hook up this solar power panel near the camera where sunlight will hit it. It will charge it all through the day and be able to run all night, all day. It basically run 24/7 with zero issues. And this thing is really, really cool. I already have one installed in the backyard right now. I have another one of these. It will run with the app, the WANS View app. And then, yeah, this is it right there. Look how cool this is. I'm gonna give you a nice little bit, kind of a rundown of what this is. Look at that. You've got a nice rotating. So right now it's on. I'm not gonna force the motor too much, but this goes around completely, so you do have kind of like that field of view, which is a really nice thing to have. You have infrared, so it is a really nice nice quality at night as well, which is a great thing to have. So let me show you. I'm gonna go install it. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what it can do and what it is able to do in terms of motion, also the quality, because that's important to see the kind of quality that we're looking at when we're looking at a, you know, a 2K color security camera. This one is fantastic. It's super fun. So we're gonna do that right now, and I'll be able to show you some images. And look at this right now. So this is the backyard area. I have the actual camera set up. I can zoom in if I want to. So look at that. I just a little press and it zooms in, and zoom is activated. I'm going to back up it just a bit. I do have sound. I have two-way audio as well, which is a great thing to have. And I have control of the camera itself. I'm just going to go right here and show you the control. I can turn. I can go back this other way. So smooth, so easy. Of course, I can have it record straight onto a memory card that goes into the camera, and that literally will basically record loop over and over again, so I don't have to change anything. And I can have instances like, you know, if there's an animal, or if there's a person or a vehicle, and then it will start recording for maybe a minute, a 30-second, whatever I decide, and then I can kind of have these things as chapters in my app and be able to see exactly what I want. I love being able also to go full 2K, so really nice pristine. Or if my Wi-Fi is not good enough, or if I don't want to use too much room, I can also downgrade the quality if it's not that important for me. But in my case, I'm at full blown high quality. And it's extremely good. And then you have all of these, I'm going to show you a little bit closer here, all of these options here to replay, to control the light, to control, of course, the talk mode. I can turn on a siren. I could change the position, as you saw before. But yeah, my main concern was always with the security camera, because I've owned them before. I didn't want to have it hooked up on a DVR, everything physical, everything cables going round and round and round. With this one here, you literally have everything wireless, and wireless Wi-Fi, wireless with solar power. I mean, it is completely, you literally free your mind of all those worries, of all those cables. You also clean up the area, and the fact that you're able to run cameras, in my case, in a backyard where I wouldn't be able to run cables because it is too far away, or maybe by the gate, by the entrance where the driveway, there's a gate. I want to make sure that there's a camera there, provided that I have Wi-Fi, which I do because I've got a big mesh Wi-Fi around the property. I'll be able to install as many solar-powered Wi-Fi cameras like this one from Galayou all over the property, and basically secure the whole thing. I think that's invaluable. The quality is great, the ease of use is incredible, and the app is so easy to use.